Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making the best salmon Wellington. Alright, this is absolutely delicious, and the craziest thing about it, guys, it is so easy. Like, this is a 5-star dish and you can make this in like 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So these are the list of the ingredients that we will be using, and they will also be in the description box along with the measurements. So I preheated my pan and I went ahead and add 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Now you guys know I love grapeseed oil, but you can use any other oil. There I add sliced onions and diced garlic. Allow this to cook for about 2.5 minutes on medium-low heat. Then we are going in with our diced mushrooms. Now you can choose to omit the mushrooms, all right? I've added the rest of my seasoning and we are going to allow this to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then we are going to add our bell peppers. Guys, this is so delicious. Give that a good stir, allow that to cook for an additional minute. Then we are going to add our baby spinach, and I'm using like one pack of it. So when this is wilted or slightly wilted, we are going to remove and set that aside. Then we are going to lightly, guys, season our salmon. Here I have the salmon cream cheese, and I also have the spinach. Now I actually did 2 of the Wellingtons. There I also added my grated parmesan. We're going to mix this until it is well combined and set aside. So let me show you again. This is the smoked salmon cream cheese. This is going to take your salmon Wellington to a whole new level, guys. It is slightly smoky. Now you guys know cream cheese is absolutely delicious. We're going to mix that in here until it is well combined with the parmesan. It looks like this, and then we are going to set that aside. Now this is our pastry crust. The link for this amazing pastry crust, guys, will be in the description box, or you can purchase your pastry crust. You know, it's up to you. Then we are going to roll that out, then place our salmon in the center, and we are going to add our amazing filling. So this is the one without the mushrooms. This is what this looks like. Guys, both of these were absolutely amazing. Then I sprinkle a little bit more of the parmesan and then I fold. Alright, this is like the easier way. So I use a pizza cutter, trim the edge. The edge is here. Then I use a fork and I'm going to seal the ends all around. Then you're going to use your knife and put some little designs just like that. Do not cut the pastry all the way through, guys. Alright, then we are going to lightly brush this with some egg wash all over. This is going to give that gloss and, you know, that sheen. Then we're going to add a little bit of black pepper. Now this is optional, you don't have to. Bake for about 20 minutes, and this is what it looks like, guys. Super amazing. You don't want to know the flavor in here. Now, if you want to know the flavor, just make it, guys. It is so easy. All right, so if you guys are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. All right. Thank you all so much for spending the time with me today, and I see y'all on the next video. Bye bye.